Today I'm talking about how we embed craft and into our design process at every stage. So whether it's from the beginning in the concept design all the way to the end, fabrication and construction.
I think what's standing out for me today is just the enthusiasm just from the audience members seems to be really there. It's a really high energy in the building, and it's very exciting that other people are excited about these topics of conversation, and people seem to be very willing to listen and ask questions, and that's a really exciting thing for any kind of cultural event.
I'm totally enjoying the day. I've been blown away by some of the performances so far this morning. Huge amount to think about, and I'm making notes as I go of people I want to talk to more to in the future.
Makeshift is a conference that we launched 3 years ago in 2014. We took it to London, then last year to Manchester as part of European City of Science, and I'm really pleased that we're here in Dublin today.
I am Jarmo Eskelinen, the Chief Innovation and Technology Officer of the Future Cities Catapult, and I am here to talk about the fast speed of urbanization and how we should use and can use fast prototyping design technologies to cope with the speed of change our cities are facing.
Hi, I'm Fabian Strunden. I'm the UX UI lead at DCCoI. DCCoI International's headquarters are based in the Docklands here in Dublin. We are an industrial-grade AR company, and it was an amazing opportunity to be invited to this conference today.
So this morning in my presentation, the main point I was discussing was how we can integrate sustainable principles together with design and craft by looking into biomimicry, biology and synthetic biology.
I've come across people from all over the world here at the conference and so far, and I think one thing that we can all take away is just how craft can make a difference to our lives in so many different ways, and how much value it adds to our everyday lives and ways of seeing things.
Now, I'm really excited that we're in Ireland this year, particularly with the huge rich heritage of craft that Ireland has.
So my name is Dries Verbruggen, and together with my partner Claire Varnier, I run the design practice Unfold in Antwerp, Belgium. And we're a design studio that focuses mostly on what happens in the intersection between traditional making and digital technologies.
My name's Indy Johar. I'm one of the co-founders of 00, a London-based studio which has been behind several organisations like OpenDesk, WikiHouse, multiple impact hubs and several social investment funds around the world. Today I'm going to talk about the democratic revolution.
I'm Louise Allen with the Design and Crafts Council of Ireland, and my role there is as Head of Innovation. I hope that the attendees today took home a huge amount of inspiration and motivation for what's possible. We're at a moment in time in this world where we're looking at different ways of being able to do things, different materials that we can use, different processes that we can explore.
I'm Karen Hennessy, Chief Executive of the Design and Crafts Council of Ireland. So the Makeshift Ireland Conference has been on today, and it's just been incredible. It's been full of energy. I feel energised and revitalised in terms of what we're trying to do for the design and crafts sector in Ireland.